Hey guys, welcome. I'm Carlos Gutierrez. I am in Nicaragua. Today we're going to walk through a beautiful, beautiful property with ocean view. This is Casapole. That it comes with 4-bedroom swimming pool, a gym, a parking area, a carport with an amazing property. It comes fully equipped with some surprises. So if you want to see exactly what it comes with the house, you have to stay tuned in this video and learn why this is a great opportunity. So thank you guys for watching the video. Let's go and see it. Okay, look at this guy. A beautiful concept, open, great view, nice breeze. Definitely guys, when you have a house on the ocean and your property is an ocean view property, the layout and the design of the house is important, very important. And you can tell how they open the concept between the living, dining, and the kitchen. Come on, Betty, check this out. Look at the beautiful kitchen we have here with a huge, massive island. Set up properly with all the furniture, a dishwasher, double door fridge, and everything you need for have your kitchen functional and ready. And definitely guys, how they design the living area with a huge open window with slide doors, you're always gonna catch that beautiful sunset or sunrise. Now, how they set up the house is beautifully done because high ceiling, modern, one level. That's also good because you know what? When you buy a property, you don't want to keep going up, going down. This is very friendly. As soon as you walk into the door, you can catch the view, which that's one of the reasons why you want to invest in a beautiful property like this one. And look at how they put all together, a nice touch with this setup on the table. You have 6 people. And then how they design this beautiful cement line with these features, accent completely this space, and also the selection of the furniture, I love it. And the lamps made of glass, a beautiful piece of art, and the slide doors also with the tint. So remember, when the light is too intense, we have 2 things here. We have these beautiful slide doors with the tint, and then look at this, wow, yes. I'm just playing with this. There you go. Nice lamp. I like the curtain because you can tell high quality, good duration, and definitely the transition between the living area and the dining and goes to the terrace that we're gonna go later. In the meanwhile, look at this. They have another space for your own private office, a pantry, a half bathroom, well done. And here we have the laundry. Everything is easy to connect. Definitely, when you're thinking how to design a house, I think definitely this is a good one. Slide doors and going to the terrace. Let's go. You know what? When you design a nice terrace like this one, definitely you want to ensure to put something in front of you that doesn't block the view. And the way they design it, they set up the beautiful glass around the edge of this terrace under the roof with beautiful columns. Next to me, I have the barbecue and a beautiful garden. And from here, I can catch the view of the master and all the rooms. Everyone has direct view from the ocean and the trees and the hills. Definitely guys, this is probably one of my favorite sections of the house because this is where you're gonna feel happy and relax, have coffee in the morning with that amazing, view from the ocean in Nacascolo. Betty, definitely this is my favorite spot. We have another table for 6 people, set up here, and in front of me, I have a great view of the pool, which I would like to jump into it right away. I can tell when the outdoor pool like that one and the sun is heated, you can say it's gonna be warm all the time. But look, a nice tile, roof, concept, the columns, the lights, and the view. That's glass with this aluminum elements will provide something like a very modern concept. It is a beautiful, beautiful property. I'm sure you can tell. Look at that. And we have the barbecue here with the sink. The owner loves to keep it covered. Again, they keep and repeat the same concept with that concrete to provide accent. You can say how they create this combination between stones, grass, and modern. Definitely the vertical glasses and the vertical windows and doors always bring to you that modern concept. Okay, yes, you know what? I always, when I look into a house, especially when you have an ocean view house, you want to see how they set up the master suite or the main suite, because you know what? You want to catch the best of the view, and definitely this is not the exception. So look at how beautifully they set up everything. A nice chairs right here. The view is fantastic, and the daylight today is awesome. And air conditioning, walk-in closet, and a massive main bathroom with double sink, I think, and a jacuzzi. Oh yeah. How you feel here? Peaceful, quiet, nice glass doors with curtains. This property has everything you need, and I have more surprises for you, so stay tuned with the channel. Don't forget to subscribe. Let's continue looking around, because this property comes with some big surprises for you. Let's go and see it. They said, Carlos, if you like to do workout, check it out the gym, because we have a full complete gym that you're gonna love it. If you do and practice exercise all the time, let's see it. Oh man. The owner of the house decided to put the gym just next to the main suite. It's not connected directly. So you have to walk through this section here where you have these beautiful features and stones with the grass in between to give some character. Character and modern and tropical is a combination that you can tell when you come to see the place. Anyway, let's go and see one of my favorite, probably, a spot of the property, which is the gym. Oh, look at all these toys. Oh man. If you love to lift weight and exercise all the time when you have a nice day, I mean, you went to fish something, fishing, and come back home and go to the swim. Before to go to the swimming pool, look, yeah, you can definitely enjoy this place. This is excellent. This is great. I'm sure you and her will enjoy to exercise something like this. You have all the equipment. Oh man, look at this. I feel like, yeah, I don't want to leave this house. I'm telling you. Oh, look at this. Well, this is a video for buying, investing, and explore houses, not for doing exercise. So I talked to the owner and he said, Carlos, if any of your friends or any of your clients wants to buy a house with everything in it, that is part of the deal. It's included. And I have something else that you're gonna say, Carlos, really? Let's go and see it. You'll enjoy the swimming pool when you come for vacation. That is definitely the part of the house that you're gonna spend most of the time to have your peaceful moment. A little section here where you can just sit in there and then you jump into it and you practice your swimming. A waterfall is coming from there. And again, from this perspective, you catch the entire view. So the swimming pool is definitely one of the best features that attract a lot of customers to spend the time in houses like this one. So if your investment for future is for high-end clients or luxury homes on different platforms that you can rent it all the time, this house is definitely complete. Plus, we have another space for parking in front of the house, a waterfall, and then if you continue walking down, you're gonna have another section that's gonna take you to the carport where you can easily fit 4 cars, and there's an extra room with a full bathroom that we're gonna look into in a few more minutes. But in the meantime, you can see how beautiful is this composition where you have the terrace with all the sets and the swimming pool that also connects very easily and friendly with your own studio right here. Nice. Well, after you have a good time reading your book in this living space and you're ready to go to sleep and just take a rest, boom, you have these, again, slide doors so you can walk out and enjoy the breeze. Your full bathrooms, nicely done, beautiful furniture of pieces. Actually, guys, remember the house comes completely furnished like this. Everything's gonna stay, your TV, everything, just to have a great moment. Again, the view is what really lead the whole design of the house. A swimming pool right there, and just to enjoy a good coffee here. Oh yeah, this is beautiful. Doing some exercise. Actually, guys, the property is sitting on 1.5 manzanas, which is about 3 acres. 2.5 acres, actually. And the house itself is about 12,000 square feet, approximately. And there is something else that is very clever. The owner of the house didn't want to deal with the view, so nobody can block the view. So what he did, he purchased the 2 lots downstairs. So when you see the video, you will notice the house and 2 open lots. That's guaranteed that nobody can build in front of you. That is a bonus. However, if you want to extend the number of units, you could also do a very 1-level apartment on those lots and increase your incomes, especially if you want to rent this place for vacations. However, the property comes with that extra land, and look at this beautiful road with those cobblestones that guarantee the property always gonna be accessible even during the dry and the rainy season. Now, we are going to another section of the house where we have these gate doors with the name of the house, Casapole. By the way, thank you very much, Paul, for letting me do this. And thank you for my team, Betty, Stacy, and Mauricio. We are having a blast time in San Juan del Sur, Nicaragua. So let's go and see it. You know, we love toys. Yes, we do. Look at this. We have 1, 2, and 3 bikes. What is this one? We have a Yamaha. We have a Honda. This is actually 2 Yamaha and 1 Honda 500. Yes. I don't know how to drive a bike, but I'm sure if you know how to drive a bike, and I'm telling you, a Honda 500, you know it's fast. And then we have these Chevrolet, and we have this Jimmy. Brand new, again, a carport, perfect, so your car never gonna be rusted. But I told you, this house comes with some surprises. You know what? If you buy the house, everything's gonna stay. Oh yes, everything. Plus, I tell you plus. In the meantime, we have another room here that could be your office, or if you have a manager, that could be his office as well. And it has a bathroom right here. Actually, it's a half bathroom. Next door, that's where we have the tools. Yes, the owner was telling me, Carlos, I bought everything, every kind of parts for the next 3-4 years, and everything you need for your fishing pole And if you wanna replace it, the base, whatever, everything is fully equipped. Water tank, you have a pump, you have water pump pressure, I mean, name it. They set up everything so the house can be self-efficient. How much you need to keep this place running? How can you make an offer? How can you put a deposit? How can you buy a house like this? I'm gonna give you at the description below of this video my telephone and my email, and you can contact me and say, Carlos, I'm very interested in that house, especially because it has that amazing view. And it comes with all these toys. Oh, remember I was telling you about the landscaping. This section here is also connected to the rest of the property where you have this beautiful spot to enjoy the view as well. So in chairs with this material, like it's a solid, beautiful concrete with those details. And look at how keep everything so good and cool. And this is not a waterfall, but look at these beautiful flowers. You know what? This is what happens when you come to a tropical country like this. You can have almost the whole year around this kind of landscaping. But remember, we need to have a good staff to do it, and they do have it. The people here, they do an amazing job keeping this place always organized, clean, and well done. And the landscaping, keeping with using the cobblestone like this, we call it adoquines, with this shape to give some kind of design and texture. But the landscaping, I don't know the name of these plants, but I can see that they really look nice, strong, with nice color, red and green. However, this looks like bougainvillea. Yes, the bougainvillea, I understand, only flower during the summer season, so probably during the summer season, this place is amazing. Actually, guys, from here, I can see the balcony, and I can tell all the bougainvillea around it. So probably during the summer season, when everything is dry, you can see beautiful color blooming all the way. And here, you can tell how they've set up all the parking space. A beautiful section, that's really great. So remember, guys, if you're searching and looking for a house to put on the rental, something luxury, high-end, well done, quality, with toys like this is a great opportunity. We are here, Howard and my friend, ¿cómo se llama mi amigo? Alberto, just behind us. We came to see another surprise that is part of the package. So Howard, what is this one here? It's an all-terrain 700cc. 700cc is also part of the deal. Yes, look at this beautiful Yamaha 700cc. Este es como qué año? 2020, 2020. 2023. It comes with a house as well. And check this out. Look, it's a Evinrude 175, 2 engines, and this boat is probably 30 feet long. I have no idea how to pilot a boat, but I'm sure, guys, if you're watching this video and you have boats and you know what is this, you can say, Carlos, wow. And you know what? This one also comes with a package. Actually, Paul put it together with all the gadgets you need, like a radar, a 3D sonar. So when you're fishing, you can actually see exactly what it looks and what is the object you have in the water. Amazing. You have a cabin. I mean, you have everything, including the trailer. That is part of the package. Guys, this is the surprise I was telling you about.